Hello everyone, this is Deepak from Grade 10 Shakthi International School. I have chosen the topic Mirror Formula and Magnification. Mirror Formula and Magnification. In a spherical mirror, the distance of the object from its pole is called the object distance. The distance of the image from the pole of the mirror is called the image distance. You already know that the distance of the principal focus from the pole is called the focal length. There is a relationship between these three quantities given by mirror formula, which is expressed as 1 by image distance plus 1 by object distance is equal to 1 by focal length. This formula is valid in all situations for all spherical mirrors. For the positions of the object, you must use the Caucasian sign convention while substituting numerical values for U, V, F and R in the mirror formula for solving problems. Magnification. Magnification produced by a spherical mirror gives the relative extent to which the image of the object is magnified with respect to the object size. It is expressed as the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. It is usually represented by the letter m. If h is height of the object and h slash is height of the image, then the magnification m is produced by a spherical mirror is given by m is equal to height of the image h slash by height of the object h. M is equal to h slash by h. The magnification of m is also related to the object distance and image distance. It can be expressed as magnification is equal to h slash by h, that is equal to minus v by u. You may note that the height of the object is taken to be positive as the object is usually placed above the principal axis. The height of the image should be taken as positive for virtual image. However, it is to be taken as negative for real image. A negative sign in the value of the magnification indicates that the image is real. A positive sign in the value of magnification indicates that the image is virtual. Mirror formula. AB is a object positive. AB is a negative. Distance between object and pole is equal to U. Distance between image and pole is equal to V. Therefore, relationship between object distance, image distance and focal length is called mirror formula. Example problems. Suppose height of the object is 3 cm, height of the image is 12 cm. What is the magnification? In this problem, the given height of the image, that is h slash, is equal to 12 cm. Height of the object, that is h, is equal to 3 cm. Therefore, formula is m is equal to height of the image by height of the object, that is equal to m is equal to h slash by h. M is equal to 12 by 3 and therefore magnification is 4. Thank you for watching my video.